Hello everyone, my name is Paul Robertson and thanks for tuning in. This week we're talking about the 5 elements needed to choose the right friends. I know we've all heard the saying, if you hang out with 4 rich people, you'll be number 5. But if you hang out with 4 broke people, you will be number 5. Make sure you tune in to the end and subscribe to the channel. Now, in life, one thing that we've learned is the people that you hang out with will have a lot to do with where you end up in life. If you hang out with the right people, oftentimes their good habits can rub off on you, and you learn a lot of great things from them, as well as you can benefit them by teaching them a lot of the great things that you learn. So we're going to talk about 5 elements that you need to look for when you're looking for the right people in your life who are not only going to help you achieve your goals, but be there to cheer you on. Element number 1, associate higher. If you're looking to get to that next rung in life, what would be better than hanging out with people who have already accomplished that? The thing about hanging out with people who have already accomplished the goals that you're looking to accomplish, they can provide you with much needed insight in the amount of work it's going to take you to get to where you're actually looking to get. They can also give you tips and tricks from when they were going through it, as well as tell you what things you need to avoid. They'll also keep you in the right mindset that you need to be in, so that way you're always striving for your goal because the people around you, that's what they're doing as well. Number 2, choose friends who have common goals. They say if you want to go fast, go by yourself. If you want to go far, go with a group. The thing about hanging out with people who have common goals is when times get hard, they're going to keep you in the game and help you to achieve great things. When you have people who are a part of your team, you guys can create synergies together, work together, and achieve much greater heights, but as well as use those synergies to get to your goal at a faster rate. They help you stay motivated and they encourage you when times get hard. So choose people who have common goals and stick it out with them. Number 3, choose friends who have skills that balance out your weaknesses. A lot of times we think that if we have a weakness, we should hide it. But oftentimes it's actually the exact opposite. And finding people who have those skills that you're aspiring to add to your repertoire, see, having those people around you make it just that much easier. You're not always going to be the greatest at, say, math or be the greatest speaker, but if you have someone in your company who is, not only can they help build that skill in you, they can also stand in when you can't do it. Number 4, choose friends who push and motivate you. Associate yourself with people who are going to push you to achieve your goals. There's nothing worse than having friends who are like crabs in a bucket, who are preventing you from reaching your peak potential. Have people who are going to say, you can accomplish that and you need to work harder to get there. That is going to be the crux of getting to your goals. Having the right people around you who are willing to push you when times get hard and make sure that you know that you have what it takes to get to where you're going. So make sure you have friends who are going to motivate you and make sure that you're reaching your potential. Number 5, choose friends who have a quest for knowledge. It is absolutely important to find success to make sure that you're always on a quest for knowledge. And learning is the crux of that. So if you surround yourself with people who are constantly working on themselves, self-development, getting better in their field, finding ways to develop new skills, those people are going to be able to help recommend you with good material to do that as well. And also, those are the same type of people that when they're on their quest to get knowledge and you're on your quest to get knowledge, they're encouraging you to get there. So find people who have that thirst for knowledge, and you'll know that because they read a lot of books, they watch the right material, and they use their time in a manner that's wise. They're using it to achieve things in the long run. So associate with yourself with those type of people and make sure that you're one of those people as well. Once again, everyone, I want to thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, down in the comment section, tell me about some of the traits that your friends have that you think have helped you get to where you are today. I want to thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Paul Robertson. I'm signing out.